From the East Tennessee Weather Center, here's your morning weather update with meteorologist Mike Witcher.
Good morning. Thanks for checking in with your morning weather update. Today's going to be a great day, actually a warmer day. Ready for some shorts and t-shirts? We're talking temperatures back to those seasonal averages, which has been a long time. But with that said, we're also going to have some very windy conditions as well. So here are your weather headlines for the day ahead, for the day today, and also the weekend, the next week as well. All right, so partly cloudy skies, gusty wind, and warmer temperatures. Heavy rain on Saturday with falling temperatures on Sunday. Light snow mainly in the mountains on Sunday, and much colder with Arctic air arriving as we get into next week and watching a potential storm. So we've been talking about that over the last couple of days. If you've been following along, we'll continue that conversation here throughout the day today. Now, today's little disturbance is going to bring us the wind, little piece of energy to our north and west. It's going to slide its way right on through. What that's going to do is just bring us a few clouds, bit of a wind, and maybe a chance for some mountain snow showers. Now, most of the snow showers are going to stay up to our north across parts of West Virginia, Pennsylvania. But as the trough swings its way out through upper East Tennessee, Tri-Cities, Washington County, Carter County, Johnson, and Unicoi could see a little bit of light snow across the higher elevations. Other than that, we're talking winds sustained out of the southwest, 10 to 20 miles per hour. So a southwesterly wind really helps to warm our temperatures up. And that's going to be gusting anywhere from 20, 30, upwards of 35 and 40 mile per hour wind gusts at times. So if today's trash day for you, maybe a good idea if as soon as you can, once they empty it, put those trash cans back in. All right, lunchtime temperatures. Southwesterly winds are really going to help to warm our temps up. We're going to see those temps climb into the 40s. Great. 39 degrees in Tri-Cities, 48 degrees in Chattanooga. Forecast highs today will be in the 40s and 50s. So this is right where we typically would be this time of the year. Average high for this time of year is 48 degrees. Now, as we get into the evening hours, temperatures are going to be comfortable for the most part. We haven't said that for a while. 43 degrees by 6, and by 8, we're down to 39. So not nearly as cold as it has been over the last couple of days. But if you've heard, that's about to change. And as I mentioned, a little bit of light snow across upper East Tennessee. All right, not a big deal there. Rain showers increase Friday night into Saturday. I don't think it's going to be an all-day rain event on Saturday. I think most of the rain is going to be Friday night and Saturday morning. That 90% is basically first thing in the morning, and then it should start to exit, and we'll start to see improving conditions, well, but with crashing temperatures on into our Sunday, and maybe a chance for some light snow showers on Tuesday as well. Doesn't look like it's going to add up to a whole lot, but later next weekend we'll talk about as well. So here's your big picture futurecast, picking up our timeline on Friday morning. And again, after our Clipper system throughout the day today, here's our next rainmaker. You can see on the cold front on Saturday morning, we're going to be soggy. But again, I don't think it's going to be raining all day Saturday. Light snow showers on the backside of that, late Saturday through the day on Sunday. Possible, as we do have some moisture. And some of the models indicating we have got some low-level moisture, and temperatures will be coming on down because cold Canadian high pressure, Arctic high pressure, starts to build its way on in Sunday, and that's going to bring us the coldest air of the year, similar to what we saw last year. All right, so just through Sunday, we're looking at anywhere from a quarter to 3/4. So we've generally been saying that all week long, about a quarter to 3/4, half an inch to about an inch. So I think we're going to see some decent rain on Saturday or Friday night into Saturday. When we look at the snowfall forecast, yeah, it's possible that some snow, mainly in the mountains and the valley flurries. I think we could see some light snow showers in the valley. Upper East Tennessee, it would be a quick little light dusting, but of course we've got the rain showers on Saturday. The ground temperatures are going to be a little bit warmer. I'm not anticipating any major concerns, but what we are going to see on Sunday are crashing temperatures. I think our high will start off in the morning, and then we'll drop into the 30s during the afternoon. Let me explain. So we're going to be right there near those seasonal averages. Average high 48 all the way through Saturday. Sunday, 32 degrees for a forecast high. Down to 24, 25, 32. So look at this. We're talking 4 days in a row of 32 degrees or colder for high temperatures. Low temperatures are going to be brutal. We're talking single digits and teens. That Arctic air mass is setting up shop, and it's going to run rolling on in. Now, with that said, remember yesterday, if you were with me, a southern slider, question mark. This is why I said you can watch what you see on social media, watch what you share. We're here to dive into the details, walk you through it. That's my job. But a southern slider, way too far out. So we're way too far out for any sort of confidence. And there's a good reason why. Because yesterday, this bullseye of snow was all the way down here. So these are going to flip-flop back and forth. But the point is that we're going to have Arctic air in place and a storm system is being advertised. Where does the storm go? TBD. And that's why you need to check back in. This Arctic air mass hopefully modifies a little bit by the end of the month. Yeah, I think we'll modify it a little bit towards the end of the month. We'll see. The Climate Prediction Center is thinking that as well. So we'll see how that all plays out here over the next several days. Of course, you can always stay on top of the latest weather forecasts every single day on all East Tennessee weather platforms, and that includes the East Tennessee Weather app. Plan your day with the East Tennessee Weather app. From video forecast weather updates to an interactive radar giving you past, current, and future radar of 2 hours to day parts, 7 days, current conditions, access to the only 24-hour weather channel right here in East Tennessee, live weather cameras, and severe weather alerts from the National Weather Service. Download the app today to always stay in the know. This is East Tennessee Weather. Weather when you want it.